So here I am making my way up first class carriages, and this is what they look like. Making sure I don't see any people because that would be very rude. There's the view out that window. Just make my way up here. And here, we open this window. We should be right next to it. There it is! There's that view, Teddy. Wow! Look at that, it's amazing. That was great. Very cool. That's awesome. Here's the train. On the way back down. This on modern trains. This is a spectacular experience. Yeah, that's the view. As I said, hold this up there first. If I drop this, I'll be dead. Drop it down there. Oh, good. Look at that. That's amazing. I know I'm going very crazy, but it's cool. I'm really enjoying this. I hope you guys enjoy this. Quite a bit, so not. I'm going to drop the bloody camera. So there's the window. Look at the woodwork. Very cool. Train again. Oh, they're going to freeze to death down here. Woo! This is cool. Alright, I'll get a video further down the train for you. I'll keep it rolling so we can see what's happening. Oh, it's really hard to stay still. Whoa!